Hey there, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question that I get asked a lot by my clients. How long does it take to get paid from HoneyBook? I know that this can be a really important question for you, especially if you're a freelancer or small business owner. After all, you need to get paid in order to stay in business, right? So, in this video, I'm going to answer the question of how long it takes to get paid from HoneyBook. I'll also give you some tips on how to get paid faster. Have you ever been so excited to get paid for a project that you can't wait to check your bank account? But then you check your account and see that the money hasn't arrived yet? So you're not alone. Many people who use HoneyBook wonder how long it takes to get paid. So, how long does it take to get paid from HoneyBook? The answer to this question depends on a few factors, including the payment method that you use. If you use direct deposit, it will typically take 1 to 2 business days for the money to show up in your account. If you use a paper check, it will take 3 to 5 business days for the check to arrive in the mail. The payment terms that you have with your client. If your client has agreed to pay you within 30 days of receiving an invoice, then it will take up to 30 days for you to get paid. The client's payment process. Some clients may take longer than others to process payments. In general, it takes 3 to 5 business days for the money to show up in your account after you send an invoice to your client. However, it could take up to 30 days in some cases. Tips for getting paid faster from HoneyBook. Here are a few tips that you can follow to get paid faster from HoneyBook. Send your invoices as soon as possible. The sooner you send your invoices, the sooner you will get paid. Use direct deposit. Direct deposit is the fastest way to get paid. Follow up with your client if you haven't been paid. If it has been more than 30 days since you sent an invoice and you haven't been paid, be sure to follow up with your client. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.